Cousins Properties. Is real estate going blockchain? Hello everyone and welcome back to BitSpools. Andrew here, your friendly neighborhood crypto expert ready to dive into the latest blockchain buzz. Today we're taking a little break from the usual crypto news and doing a deep dive into something that might surprise you. Real estate. That's right folks. The world of brick and mortar is getting a major shakeup from the blockchain revolution. But before we get into that, let's get right to it. Hashtag Cousins Properties. The REIT revolution. Cousins Properties, a leading real estate investment trust, better known as Cuz on the stock market, has been making some serious moves in the world of commercial real estate. Now, I know what you're thinking, real estate? What's that got to do with crypto? Well, you might be surprised. It turns out Cousins Properties is a prime example of how the blockchain is changing the game for traditional industries. Let's break down the headlines. Cousins reported a solid second quarter with a healthy increase in funds from operations FFO. Think of it as the REIT equivalent of profits. They also saw a 5% jump in same-property net operating income. Basically, their existing properties are generating more cash flow, which is always good news for investors. But that's not all. Cousins Properties is also aggressively pursuing new investment opportunities, including some interesting mezzanine loans. Now, mezzanine loans are basically a type of debt investment that sits between senior debt and equity. Think of it as a sort of middle ground investment. What makes Cousins' approach unique is that they're targeting these mezzanine loans in high-quality lifestyle office properties located in prime Sunbelt markets. Why is this important? Because it shows that Cousins is betting big on the continued growth of these Sunbelt markets. And that growth is being fueled by the same trends that are driving the blockchain revolution. Decentralization, remote work, and a focus on quality of life. You see, companies are increasingly moving their operations to places with lower costs of living, better weather, and a more relaxed atmosphere. And that's where Cousins Properties comes in. So what's the big deal? Well, Cousins is not only positioning itself to benefit from these trends, but they're also actively shaping them. They're actively redeveloping their properties to meet the evolving needs of tenants who are looking for more than just a basic office space. They want modern, well-designed spaces that offer a mix of work, leisure, and community. Sound familiar? This is exactly the kind of thinking that's driving the success of decentralized platforms and the metaverse. It's all about creating spaces that are both functional and engaging, where people can connect, collaborate, and thrive. Hashtag the blockchain connection. How it all fits together. Now, let's connect the dots. The blockchain is revolutionizing the world of finance and business, but it's also having a profound impact on the way we live and work. And this is where Cousins Properties comes in. They're at the forefront of this shift towards a more decentralized, flexible, and human-centric way of doing business. Here's how it works. Decentralized finance, DeFi. Imagine a world where real estate ownership and investment are not tied to traditional banks or intermediaries. The blockchain has the potential to make real estate transactions more transparent, secure, and accessible to a wider range of investors. 2. Remote work. As remote work becomes more commonplace, companies are looking for office spaces that offer a better balance between work and life. This is precisely what Cousins Properties is focusing on. Their properties are designed to attract tenants who value flexibility, collaboration, and community. 3. The metaverse. The metaverse is creating a whole new world of virtual experiences, including virtual offices and virtual real estate. Companies like Cousins Properties are already exploring the possibilities of the metaverse and how it can be used to enhance their offerings. Hashtag Cousins Properties, a blockchain play? Now you might be wondering, is Cousins Properties a blockchain play? Well, not in the traditional sense, but it's certainly a company that's embracing the trends that are being driven by the blockchain revolution. They're investing in properties that appeal to the changing needs of businesses and individuals who are looking for more than just a basic office space. Think of it this way. Cousins Properties is a metaverse-ready company. They're building spaces that are adaptable, flexible, and designed to attract tenants who are looking for a more integrated work-life experience. And that's a trend that's only going to accelerate in the future. Hashtag InvestingPro, your key to smart investments. Now before we move on, I want to remind you about InvestingPro, our partner in providing you with cutting-edge investment analysis. Invest and earn money together with successful crypto traders. Copy trades and earn money. Click the link in the video description to get started. With InvestingPro, you can get expert insights into Cousins Properties and other leading companies. Discover hidden opportunities and identify potential risks. Access real-time data and analytics to make informed investment decisions. And for a limited time, you can get up to 10% off a yearly Pro and a yearly or bi-yearly Pro subscription using the code PRONEWS24. Don't miss out on this chance to supercharge your investment strategy with Investing Pro. Hashtag the future of real estate, a blockchain revolution. So, what does the future hold for real estate? The blockchain is poised to transform this industry in many ways. Here are just a few possibilities. Smart contracts, these can be used to automate real estate transactions, making them faster, cheaper, and more efficient. Tokenization, this allows for fractional ownership of real estate assets, making it more accessible to a wider range of investors. Decentralized marketplaces, these can be used to connect buyers and sellers of real estate directly, cutting out intermediaries and reducing transaction costs. Hashtag Cousins Properties, a leading indicator. Cousins Properties is a prime example of how the blockchain is already influencing the real estate industry. They're adapting to the changing needs of the market and are positioned to benefit from the trends that are being driven by the blockchain revolution. So, is Cousins Properties a leading indicator of the future of real estate? That's for you to decide. But I think it's a company that's worth watching closely, especially if you're interested in the intersection of blockchain technology and the real estate market. Hashtag stay tuned for more. That's it for today's episode, folks. Make sure to subscribe to the BitSpools channel for more insights into the crypto world, including the latest news on the blockchain and its impact on traditional industries. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it interesting. Until next time, stay curious, stay invested, and remember, the future of finance is decentralized.